A lot of companies have made significant investments in technology for 20 years. And now the rapid change in devices and the internet and everything that has to go along with that, beacons inside of storefronts, is drastically outpacing what the corporations can keep up with. So they develop this gigantic technology debt that they've got to at some point pay off if they want to keep up with the pace of change. The biggest thing that happens if you don't pay off that technology debt is disruption and eventual extinction. So you've got to balance that out with speed versus security versus the customer experience and kind of your place in the market. It's also knowing where you live in your industry and your brand's expectations. For these companies, they're ready for change. The most common phrase that I hear now in these clients is, we want the Amazonification of our business. We need to be targeting abandoned carts, personalization, I want to know more about you. They know that it's possible. Now they're just trying to understand how they can get their businesses there, and that's really when they're going to come find us. We work with organizations at the beginning to do what we call marketing technology alignment. So it's sitting down and walking through what are all the tools that they bought? Are they getting the most out of those investments? And then how do those investments all get integrated together so that they're sharing the data? And that marketing technology alignment helps build a roadmap that's going to be the capabilities and the capacity planning that you're going to need for the next several years. Our goal is to be engaged with most of our clients through the entire digital transformation into a support and optimization stage where they've gotten through the big bulk of work, and now they're just making incremental improvements over the long haul. Instead of going and picking up 6 different vendors that understand the different aspects of marketing technology, working with one partner that's brought all of that together. What are we going to do that's going to drive incremental improvement while we're building that bigger project? And that just prevents the idea of IT wandering off for a year and then coming back and saying, surprise, here's your new things. It gives you something to touch and feel all along the way. Let's create this agile nature against the existing tool set so that it's in place. We've tested it. We've taught the marketing team how to think that way before we even get into the new tool set. Evolve the people process side while you're building out the tech side. The foundational set of technologies that we're looking for inside of an organization are some kind of customer data system. Sometimes that's called a CRM, a customer data platform, your ERP system. It's the place that houses all of your customer data. And then you start building systems out from that. The next big system that we're going to look for in an organization is going to be their content management system. What is managing, controlling, and publishing all of the content that they're putting out in the digital channel? From there, we move over and we start to think about how you're doing email and marketing automation and some of that outbound communication that becomes the next step after you get that initial conversion and the data makes its way down into the CRM system. The fourth area for kind of the fundamental set of marketing technology is really the analytics. So looking across those 3 tools and being able to see the results of what you're doing. You've got those 4 tools in place, you can build on top of that in an infinite number of ways and be successful.